Fast front position, moving up in the middle is Prince Purdy. Karen Dance, then followed by Reign of the Jungle in the middle. About 6 wide comes Music Quest in the middle portion. Bubblegum, alam mo na yan. Cash McCall, Rain of Roses, then followed over by Yankee Clipper. While Fly, Aray Fly is the early trailer as they leave the straight. We have Prince Purdy enjoying a length lead, and moving a party out, so now is Mika's Pride. 2 lengths away in third comes Karen Dance. Reign of the Jungle moving a party outside. Bubblegum, alam mo na yan, comes next. Then comes Cash McCall, Yankee Clipper, Reign of Roses, then moving a party outside. And nearing the far turn, we have Mika's Pride by about 2 lengths. Prince Purdy still in second. Alam mo na yan, is sorry outside, moving up. Bubblegum also coming closer in fourth. Karen Dance, Peep, Reign of the Jungle. We have Mika's Pride by about 2 lengths. Then here comes alam mo na yan, now moving a party outside. Prince Purdy fading out, moving a party outside. Bubblegum, Reign of the Jungle. Mika's Pride in front, moving up, alam mo na yan, is sorry outside. Mika's Pride, alam mo na yan, moving up in the middle na is Yankee Clipper. We have Mika's Pride, Yankee Clipper moves up, and finally Yankee Clipper.
Sakto lang eh, no?
Meron pala tayong photo for fifth, by the way, no? Isa sa contender doon, yung number 2 Reign of Roses.